guys. 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks since I've been on the bike, and it's been a rough 2 weeks. So if you've read the thumbnail or the title, you could probably guess why it's been 2 weeks since I have been on the motorcycle. So right about 3 weeks ago, my son and I went to a concert. You might have seen pictures on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. But him and I went to a concert, and we went up to the Scranton area, Montage, Mountain Pavilion, which is kind of like an open air. It's got a cover over the top, but it's an open air. So, like 99% of the people there, I did not wear a mask. So, with that, 3 days later, I started to develop symptoms of something. So, started getting a sore throat, slight cough, and that was it. The following day, I decided, you know what, let me take my temperature, just to make sure, be a little proactive, and my temperature was fine. And again, being more proactive, I decided to get a at-home COVID test, which came back negative. So I continued to work. The following day when I woke up, I had a fever of almost 101. That's when I knew something wasn't good. So I obviously didn't go to work. But under the request of my son, the COVID at-home test came in a 2-pack. But at his request, he requested me take the second test. So I took the second test. Now they generally take 15 minutes for results, and it goes back and forth. Well, yeah, in about 3 minutes I got a fucking positive. So lo and behold, I had COVID, according to the at-home test, and my fever and my other symptoms. So I went and actually got a test taken by professionals, and that one came back positive. So I am positive for COVID. Now, I know a lot of you people out there probably are going to give me shit for this, but I am unvaccinated. It is my choice, and that is where I choose to go. So, if you are vaccinated, hey, more power to you. If that was your choice, hey, the choice that you made. Just like it's a choice that I made. So, for the first few days of my quarantine, I decided to quarantine in a room in my house that has a bathroom, is right off the kitchen, so I don't have to bother anybody. I'm just going to be at the side of that house by myself. So the not the best, actually the worst part about staying in that room was the fact that there was only a couch in that room, and after about a couple hours the couch tends to get uncomfortable. So I am quarantining for however many days I need to quarantine for, and all in all I'm not feeling too awful bad. You know, I was like, not that bad. It's pretty much so cold. That's the way it felt. It felt like a cold. Can't see shit. So, a few days go by. The only thing I have is sore throat, cough, and fever. And even after a few days, the fever actually subsided, and I actually stopped taking any over-the-counter medications. So they say to come out of quarantine, you have to be symptom-free for 24 hours without the use of any over-the-counter medications. So I really stopped taking stuff. So there were a couple times in my quarantine that I got nervous and I got a little bit scared. The one morning I had woken up and I was feeling nauseous. It was 4 a.m. So I went into the bathroom and I literally almost passed out in the bathroom. I got lightheaded, I stumbled, I almost fell in, oh, I did fall into the door. Almost fell in the bathroom. And that scared me a little bit. So, and then one other day I had the dry heaves, nausea, and I actually did start vomiting. And man, fucking felt like I pulled muscles in my ribs from the heavy dry heaves. So, like, that was pretty much so the extent of my being positive for COVID. Now, I did run pretty much so almost a full gamut of symptoms. The one thing I didn't do, I did not lose my taste, thank God. Now, in this process, the breathing, I did experience that a couple times where it was labored breathing. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't normal, where I had to actually concentrate on breathing in deep, taking deep breaths to, you know, get oxygen to me. So now in this whole process, my wife, who is vaccinated, tested positive as well. So, and obviously it was me that probably gave it to her. I mean, I can almost guarantee it was me that gave it to her. So it really goes to show you, you can be vaccinated and still get it. So, you know, like I said, that's I've been out of quarantine for a few days now, back to work. I missed a total of a week and a half at work. So when I went back to work, I was feeling probably 85% good. It has gotten slightly better. So, but yeah, that's been my experience with COVID. survived. My family's good. We all survived. My son never got it. My son was one of the 1% at the concert who wore a mask, and was probably smart. I probably could have avoided all this if I would have worn a mask, but I am a little bullheaded, a little stubborn about it, so I didn't wear a mask. So that is the situation. That is why there was no video last week, because I was in bed, chilling out and not doing anything. Well, I was on the couch, chilling out, not doing anything. So, real quick, air mattresses suck. Just to let you know that. I figured, since I'm going to be quarantined in the room, I'd buy an air mattress. Yeah. Wow. It was one of the most uncomfortable things that, yeah. So, anybody that sleeps on an air mattress and can sleep on an air mattress, hey, more power to you guys, because shit, it was horrible. So, there's my story, guys. Like I said, I know I'm probably going to get shit from all the people that are vaccinated and all the people that believe in the vaccination. And that's, like I said, that's fine. That's your right. That's your opinion. So, a lot of traffic tonight. Oh, wait the fuck back here. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, I'm fine, I'm good, I survived. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe, love one another, and hey, if you're going to a concert, wear the mask. Trust me. Alright, until next time, my friends, peace.